Okay, so here is a hacky demo of controlling Napari with a MIDI controller and an iPad Pro and iPad Pencil. So Napari is actually running on the Mac, and I'm using an Apple feature called Sidecar, which lets me mirror the Mac's display onto the iPad, and this lets me use the pencil as a mouse cursor on the iPad. Additionally, I've hooked up this X-Touch controller. It's about $100 on Amazon to control the sliders. So this is a single step slider, and this is a fast slider to go through the volume quickly. And this control is bidirectional. You can see there's little indicator LEDs on the sliders. And if I move this, then that moves the sliders along as well. So that's pretty cool. And then these buttons are mapped to the modes of the labels layer. So if I want a new label, I've mapped this button to that. So you'll see if I press it, I get a new label here in the corner. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to separate this mitotic nucleus using drawing. So again, I'm in pan zoom mode. I can zoom in using gestures. Then I'm going to change the brush size. I haven't mapped that to a button yet. Another thing that I can do is change the opacity of the labels layer using this slider over here. So make that something in the middle. Now I'm going to separate using paintbrush mode. So I've mapped that to this button, I think. Yep. And I'm going to just separate each plane using the pencil and the rotary dials. So there's about 30 planes. Hopefully it won't take too long. And excuse my lack of nuclear biology if I mess up this segmentation. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate Napari, not nuclear biology. So this is, for example, a place where I have no idea what's going on. Okay, so that's the end of the volume. Let's go to the start of it just to finish up. So once I have that separated, I can switch to fill mode. And I've got that same label selected. I'll go back to the top. Now where to go? There we are. Okay. And so I'll fill that, fill that, fill that. Great. I think I've got every plane. That one was definitely a mistake, but let's ignore that for the demo. I think I might have missed one little segment here, yeah, because I'm doing connected components. Cool. And so now we can see our handiwork in 3D. Oh, I'm still in fill mode. Let us go to pan zoom. As I said, it's bidirectional, so you see that LED lighting up there. And there's our segmentation. Probably some tweaking to do, but